In this video, you'll learn how to create an eBay affiliate account. By following these steps, you will be able to register for the eBay Partner Network and start earning commissions by promoting eBay listings. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the official eBay Partner Network website. This is the platform that allows you to earn commissions for promoting eBay products. Once the page loads, look for an option that says join or sign up. This is where you will initiate the registration process for the affiliate program. After locating the join or sign up button, click on it to proceed. You will be directed to a registration form that requires your personal information. Fill in the necessary fields, which typically include your name, email address, and the website or promotional platform you intend to use. It is important to provide accurate information, as any discrepancies could delay the approval of your application. In addition to your basic information, you may be prompted to describe how you plan to promote eBay products. This section is crucial as it helps eBay understand your promotional strategies. Take your time to provide a clear and concise explanation. Once you've filled out all required fields, review your information for accuracy before submitting the form. This submission creates your affiliate account request. Once your application is approved, you will receive a notification via email. At this point, you can log into your affiliate dashboard using the credentials you created during registration. After logging in, you will have access to various affiliate tools. From this dashboard, you can generate affiliate links for specific eBay products and listings, which is essential for tracking your commissions. These generated links can be shared on your website, blog, or social media platforms. When users click on your links and make purchases on eBay, you earn a commission from those sales. This process effectively completes the setup of your affiliate account, allowing you to start promoting eBay products. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.